What's up, you guys? If you want to see how I got my hair like this, please make sure you stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is the hair that is already done. I just have this one row that's left. I'm using this BTL gel for braids, twists, and locks. I'm gonna put this clip back up there. And I'm going to throw all this into a ponytail before I get started because it really does get in the way. Where's my hair? Start by braiding this. And once I get to about here, I'm going to grab some braiding hair and some raw Indian hair. This is the raw Indian hair that I am using. I purchased bundles of it. This is actually some old hair that I just have not been wearing for the last couple of months. So I just thought, since I'm not wearing it, let me put some use to it. And it's gotten so thin that I can't really wear it in a sew-in anymore. So this is probably the best use out of it I could get. So I'm just gonna cut some off the weft. Once I cut it off the weft, I'm just going to braid it into my hair. So, like this. I'm only gonna braid it down a little bit. And then I'm going to pull it out of the bunch. And if you have a clip, you can clip. I always put it in my mouth like that. And then I'm just gonna keep braiding down like this.
What needs to wash his hands?
Go through now. Alright, once I get to about here, I'm just going to braid it with the braiding hair. I'm gonna braid down. Just gonna braid down. Once I get to about here, and I got this much left, I'm going to add in one more piece of this raw hair to the bottom of the braid. To the end, I take a tiny bit of this hair bonding glue. I'll take this piece right here, the short end, and I'll wrap it up the braid. Up so that when I do decide to straighten or curl this piece right here, I want to make sure the bonding glue is not touching that piece. I'm just going to put a little bit of bonding glue right here where the end of the wrapped hair is. It's right there. It's far away from my natural hair, so it's not touching that, and then it is far enough away from this to where it's not touching the raw Indian hair. For the wrapping hair, I am using this, which is Human Synthetic Hair Blend. It can be straightened up to 400 degrees. It is very soft. I like to comb it out before I use it as my wrapping hair, just so it has that kiki afro-ish texture. It makes wrapping it a lot easier. So it looks like this before I wrap. I'm gonna take my crochet needle and my wrapping hair, and I'm going to stick the crochet needle through the top. Make sure that the hook is open. I'm going to add my wrapping hair on there like this, close that latch, pull it through. And then I have a long end over here and I have a really short end. I'm going to put the short end with the braid, give it a tiny little twist, and then I'm going to take this longer side and going to start wrapping the braid and the shorter end. And remember, I have this tiny piece of the virgin hair, raw hair right here. I'm gonna pull that out once I wrap that top part. move that out the way. And I'm going to wrap underneath it. So I want to make sure that that's not getting wrapped. Once I wrap underneath it, it looks like this. And then I'm just going to wrap to the bottom of where I braided. And then I'm gonna take my crochet needle, which looks like this, got it from a beauty supply store, and I'm going to stick it through this part at the very bottom of the wrapping here. And I'm just bringing it in and out, in and out. But instead of pulling it all the way out, I'm holding, I'm sorry y'all, my nails look so crazy, but I'm holding the strands together, and I'm just going to do this type of motion without pulling it all the way out. I'm interlocking the bottom of this hair together so it doesn't unravel. I'm just gonna add this to the bunch so it doesn't get tangled up. And on to the next one. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I keep doing hairstyles on myself that I have never done, and it's kind of hard for me to like judge it because I don't know how I feel about them on myself. Like they're cute on other people, but I don't know how I feel about it on myself yet. So give me a second. I'm about to go wash my hair, condition it, and then I'll come back so y'all can see what it look like. All right, so after taking a shower, this is what we're working with. I don't know what it looked like back there. So I'll be back after it air dries so y'all can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's air dried. This is the hair in its natural state. So if I don't do anything to it, this is what it's gonna look like. I feel like I want to add some curls to it because this raw Indian hair is not really curly. Like it feels really soft, y'all. The locks, since I used human hair, feel a lot lighter, like a lot more lightweight. This was my very first time doing human hair with human hair faux locks. And it is so tedious, y'all. It is so tedious. And I do faux locks all the time, so I feel like it shouldn't have been as hard as it was, but this process was a mess. It took me at least 8 hours to do this on myself, and I only did medium parts, so I can only imagine if someone is doing small parts. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna use my handy dandy curl wand. I have had this thing for so long. This has been the most reliable heating tool I have ever had. Like it still gets hot in less than 20 seconds and all that. It's It goes up to like 400 degrees. Like, it's hot right now. Look at how fast this curling wand is the truth, y'all. I forgot the brand. I forgot where I got it from the mall in Virginia. I wish I knew where to get another one. But I don't even need to get another one. But when this one goes out, I wish I knew where to get this exact same wand from. I'm probably not gonna curl the whole thing, to be honest. I might just curl like a couple, just so it looks like I use different hair for some of the inspo. Just go through random curls. You need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. Yeah, I like them a lot more with curls, y'all. I'm feeling it. So, y'all tell me what y'all think. Alright, so this is the finished look, you guys. It is really full. It is really soft. This is the back. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.